Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Porsche Boxster 981. It's currently done 48,876 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour pure white, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You have LED daytime running lights there below, which really complement the vehicle well. And now let's open the front trunk, also known as the frunk. You have a button on the key fob that opens it up, and you simply find the latch to release it. You've got a nice amount of space here to store things. You could fit a few shopping bags in there. There's a warning triangle there if you have to pull over in an emergency. And to close the lid, you simply pull it down and then push it back into place to secure it in. Now around to the side of the vehicle. It does sit very nicely on the 18-inch alloy wheels. They do have a very nice grey effect to them. You have your indicator there on the side as well. You have a black cloth convertible roof there. And now to the rear of the vehicle, you do have LED tail lights. You have your dual exhaust there in the centre. Now let's open up the rear boot as well. And to access this, you also can use the button on the key fob that pops it open. And you simply lift it up. You do have a nice amount of space there as well. You can easily fit a weekend bag in there if you're going away somewhere. And to close again, you simply pull it down and push it back in again to secure into place. It's a very stylish sports car. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle. And opening up the door here. You've got your leather steering wheel there. You do have a very nice metal finish all along the dashboard as well. You have your seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And both seats do pull forward, so you can store some things behind them as well, so you're not too limited on space. You have an armrest there in the centre with some storage in as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. The folding is a great feature as you can fold the mirrors in to protect them. It's very handy if you're parking on a narrow road, for example, as it can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. You can select which side mirror you want to control. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. Now behind the steering wheel here, you do have paddle shifts. You have your wiper stalk and indicator stalk there. And here below, you have your controls for the digital display here next to your dials in the instrument cluster. You can display different information such as your radio, G-forces, and also your navigation. Your standard trip computer information such as your miles to the gallon. It's a very handy feature to have. You can also change the view of the map. You can have your manual or auto zoom. You also have 3D map. You can select to face north as well. It's a very nice feature to have when following directions. You do have cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot as well. It's a very handy feature to have. And now here in the centre, you have your touchscreen radio, where you can access FM and AM radio. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. You can also connect your own source of audio. You have USB and auxiliary input. You also have a CD player as well, so you can play all of your favourite albums in the vehicle. There you can see your aux screen. Of course, your standard FM radio there. You can connect your phone with Bluetooth, so you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. You can also insert a SIM card as well. And here you have your navigation screen, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. The guidance is very easy to follow and use. You can change the view of the map using the pinpoints to scroll in and out. You can access some vehicle information here, and this includes your front and rear parking sensors that give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces by making you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle of things you may not be able to see. You also have a sports display there you can access, and your personal trip data along with a compass that will ensure you're heading in the right direction. You You do have dual zone climate control, allowing the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone to travel comfortably in the vehicle. It's very straightforward to use with each button clearly labelled. And you also have heated front seats as well, so you can keep nice and warm. And there's buttons there for defrosting the front and rear windscreens. The heated seats are very ideal for the winter months we have. You can keep nice and warm while on the go. You have a button here that will open or close the rear spoiler that opens up automatically when at higher speeds. You can open this up when cleaning, making it handy to access underneath it. You have your buttons here below for opening the exhaust valves for a nice sportier sound, and you also have your Sport and Sport Plus buttons that enhance how the vehicle performance handles. So you can put these on depending on your driving mood, if you want to be a bit more sporty. And as well here, you do have your controls for the convertible roof. You simply hold the switch there up top. The roof will retract and open up. It doesn't take too long at all. You can get on the go. Thanks for watching this video on the Porsche Boxster 981. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.